Good morning, my crafty friends. This is Lori Girl on the Ridge. I have a little tutorial I'd like to share with you. I'm at work this morning, so this is my desk. I was making some of these cute little envelope, I don't know, just little pretties. You can make them as tucks. You can put them on paper clips. And I wanted a couple girls to ask some questions, so I said I would do a tutorial on that. So I'll show you how to do that. And these are the envelopes, and somebody had asked about what I use on them, and it's metallic, you can see it, gilding polish. I got it right off of Amazon, and it is awesome. You can YouTube it, and they can show you how to use it. I just ordered a pearl one, but this gives you the nice shiny. This is called Enchanting Gold. It is beautiful. I love it. So, I'm going to show you a couple different things. Now, you girls that I see on Junk Journal Junkies, Sophie Notes, and who can't get started or you're in a rut. So, if you're watching me now, go grab a piece of paper and some glue. Simple. So, how I made these little things. And it's nothing new. It's just, again, a reminder. And I just hit the camera. Sorry. I'm going to take some paper. And maybe an inch. Because I want them small. You can make them as big as you want. I mean, these are just so simple. You don't even have to make the whole envelope. And then if it's that rough, I'll just kind of clip it. You make your little envelope fold, and you fold down to where you think you want your envelope. And then you fold it again. Oh, whoop. Little dab of glue. You know, that's a little more. Let's leave that over here. And then you can trim it up. And that's one little envelope. Then you could even just, depending if this is like I did them in groups of 3. Let's see, yeah, that way. If you want to just, say, cut right there and just fold it, make a little one. You don't even have to make the whole envelope because it's only going to be a background. And then I will get a piece of music paper, and again the same, maybe an inch, inch and a half. Again, I'll show you where I'm putting these. And I do cut this off because I want more of the music notes to show. Where did I stand this paper? And fold that. And that's it, girls and guys. And just a dab of glue. And these don't open or anything. These are just for looks, for like little embellishments. I know there's punches. I do have a little punch for a little one. But this is something that sometimes you just need something mindless to sit and do. So now I will get my little sponge, maybe. Everything is in place before I film, and then I think it all moves itself. And now you can also take a script stamp and do a little stamping. And on this one, on these, I took some of my old Stampin' Up! Green, just put it on the side of the sponge and just hit it, because there's brown on here. I'll probably never be able to get this color again because of what's on my sponge, but that's what makes it unique. So don't be afraid. Next, we'll play with the pink and brown. And let's see. Put a little dab there. then I took some silk that I had and I just coffee dyed it. And we'll just take a little strip. Now this is, I mean, you can do stuff like this with minimal things. I mean, you can just get the ribbon at Walmart. Sometimes they have them 4 for $1, especially with the holidays coming up. Oh, my scissors. I gotta get me a new pair of scissors. And I just make it, alright, I'll make it wider then. I'll just twist it a little. It has been raining here, I think, like for 40 days. It's been horrible. Everybody's sinuses are bothering them. And then I just do a little bow. You can make these any colors, but like I said, this is good if you're just sitting watching TV or you're in a rut and you need to get started. And there we go. And then I wanted to put a paper clip on there. I would just take one of my paper clips, take a piece of paper, put the clip on it, let the back show. Let's see. Yeah, that's good. Fold it up. Yeah. And then actually it'll look like another letter, so we'll just ink it. Dab the glue. And then we'll let it stick out just a little. And then put it on one of these folded letters. And there you go. It's a cute little piece of embellishment. So next, I'm going to probably do 2 videos. The next video, because my time, okay, got a couple of minutes. The next video, we're going to decorate. I made a bunch of these up. I'll show you how to decorate them with, I'm going to be using a Tattered Dream stuff that I got from, is a design team project. So I'll show you how you can really dress these up. But this I wanted to show you. This was, and I will put the link below, Victorian Design. She did a, I love these little letters. She did a tutorial on how to fold 3 Regency letters, Jane Austen style. So you have to go check her video out. So this is the one I like the best because it was little. And let me get a piece of paper. You just start with a piece of regular copy paper, fold it in half. Get this out of the way. And then you open it, and then you fold it in the center again. Like I said, she's got a great tutorial, but I just want to show you quick. And fold it again. And then you fold it in half. And you open it, and you bring it up to the crease, fold it, and then fold it up again. And then you bring it down, not all the way, just so you have like a little, and she explains that how paper was so hard to get that they usually had to make an envelope, a writing paper and an envelope out of the same paper. And that's all you do. And then you could put, I think I made another paper clip one. And then you could stamp it or color it, and they make an adorable little note. So I'll put her link below. And I will be back with some more decorating. I'll get my pink stuff out because I have like 3 pink books I'm working on, and do some decorating. So we'll see you soon. Bye.